This 2020 Forest River Grey Wolf 26 DBH is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Fort Worth, Texas, 76140 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 29 feet 3 inches in length. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, front bedroom, front living area, mid-kitchen, outdoor kitchen, rear bath, rear dinette, rear entertainment, 2 entry, exit doors. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.